Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about the process called glycogen degradation. It's also sometimes called glycogenolysis, lysis meaning we're going to break it apart. And similar to the reverse process, glycogen biosynthesis, this process will have 3 steps. So if we start with glycogen with n number of glucose subunits, the very first reaction is going to involve a phosphate being utilized to break apart glycogen. And the enzyme that's going to perform this reaction is called Glycogenphosphorylase. Okay. And what will happen is that phosphate is going to react with the terminal glucose unit of glycogen to then give me glucose 1-phosphate. And I'll just abbreviate that with a circle P. So this is G1P. And this enzyme, glycogen phosphorylase, is heavily regulated. If the cells receive signals saying that the glycogen needs to be broken down so that glucose can ultimately be shipped out into the blood so other organs might be able to use it, glycogen phosphorylase would be switched on. Now, this process produces a molecule that we actually saw in the previous pathway when we were talking about glycogen biosynthesis. So G1P is simply now going to be interconverted to G6P. I won't draw that one out, and that was by that phosphoglucomutase enzyme. So that's step number 2. And then lastly, glucose can finally be liberated with the action of water cleaving off the phosphate of glucose 6-phosphate. And that enzyme is one we've also seen before. This was in the pathway called gluconeogenesis. This is glucose 6-phosphatase. Let me just go ahead and put the name of the second step enzyme. This is phosphoglucomutase. So 3 overall steps, but they're not the exact reversal of glycogen biosynthesis. The main difference here is this enzyme, glycogen phosphorylase. So ultimately, through these 3 steps, we release now glucose. Remember that glucose is now neutral, and this could now go out to the blood. So if the cell receives a signal saying that glycogen needs to be broken down and utilized by other organs, glycogen phosphorylase will be switched on. All right, so that was a quick little video, describes the degradation of glycogen. You definitely want to kind of learn both glycogen biosynthesis and degradation probably together. Maybe make a new figure that kind of combines both of them. All right, I hope that helps, and good luck.